Okay, we're a little bit sore today after the 4-hour horseback riding. So we're gonna take things a little bit easier today. Right? And head down to the beach and see what that's about and enjoy it. A little relaxing, maybe have lunch.
Because there is a restaurant next to the beach.
Yep. And what is it? It looks pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we might check that one out. We will see how it goes.
Where shall we put our sandals at?
Right here.
Yep. Is there?
Guys, don't go right here.
Whoa, I'm sinking in the sand, like literally.
Oh, that's where the boat was, I think.
Guys, wait. There looks like there's more.
Look at this beautiful sight.
Guys, it's so clear
The water went up my nose.
Look at how clear the water is.
It's so cold.
Are you gonna get used to it or not?
No, I don't want to get used to it actually.
It's our last time in here today. You know what it is? It's because you're so warm from being in the sun out there. This is gonna get serious.
Are you
I think.
having a fun vacation? Yeah! How many people get to do this on Christmas Eve, huh?
I don't know. Let's count on the beach. Yeah.
Well,
100 maybe. Yeah.
maybe. She can't count the locals.
From behind. 3, 2. Uh-oh. What are you doing over there, huh? Setting me up on Christmas Eve. They're so quick, like they go to a table and it's like open and turn around. Yeah, people are these two tables, I keep cutting them off at the bar. It's the weirdest thing. Oh, they have dessert after dinner.
Hello. Say hi.
Uh-oh, are you recording?
I've been recording you for like 1 minute and 37 seconds.
You heard all that bad stuff I said?
No. I have no idea. Say something.
We had a great dinner at this restaurant, and the one thing that we've noticed out here in Costa Rica is they're really good at getting you to your table and getting your food. Oh, I lost an eye there.
I got that on camera.
But they're really, really slow at giving you the check to get you out of here. So we're learning. I'm getting ready to get up and like use my flashlight as an SOS beep. Look at this, look at this, watch this, okay? Ready?
Oh no, I already know what this is.
That's so bright.
I think I embarrassed your mom.